Hello, I am ŽIGA PAVLOVIČ. I am the frontman of the group MariborScore, it's a community for video game enthusiasts. It's based in Maribor. And we have produced this lovely space. It's going to be a gaming lounge on the IFCA festival. It's for relaxation, and also we will try to answer the questions, can video games be also art? We will have a presentation for a few games that we believe are especially in this area, and we also have a lot to show, a lot of different game modes. So if you will have any questions, there will be a few people used into the medium of video game arts, so they will be here to answer the questions.